Did you know that one of wrestling's most beloved legends passed away at the age of 74, leaving behind a legacy that has shaped the sport we know and love today? It's a tragic end to an incredible journey, and today, we are diving deep into the events that led to this devastating loss. Today, we are remembering the one and only, the Titan of the Ring, known for their electrifying performances and unmatched charisma. With a career that spanned decades, this wrestling icon won multiple championships and inspired countless aspiring wrestlers. Their larger-than-life persona and dedication to the sport made them a household name, and their impact on wrestling will never be forgotten. Unfortunately, our story takes a somber turn. Just a few weeks ago, this wrestling legend was involved in a tragic accident that shocked fans worldwide. Reports indicate that they were participating in a charity event when an unforeseen incident occurred. Witnesses described the scene as chaotic, with emergency services rushing to the location. Despite the efforts to save this wrestling icon, the injuries sustained were catastrophic. The details surrounding this accident are still under investigation, but it's clear that the loss has left a huge void in the hearts of fans and the wrestling community alike. Let's take a moment to celebrate the incredible career of this wrestling legend. They made their debut in the early 70s and quickly rose to fame, becoming a key figure in major promotions. Remember those epic showdowns against rival wrestlers that had everyone on the edge of their seats? Matches that are still talked about today, like the unforgettable title bout at WrestleMania that cemented their status as a wrestling great. Beyond the ring, they were known for their charitable work and mentorship, inspiring the next generation of wrestlers. Off the mat, this legend had a rich personal life, filled with stories of triumph and struggle. It's this combination of fame and humility that endeared them to fans worldwide. Now, let's get into the heart of the matter, the accident itself. It was a bright sunny day at the charity event, and everything seemed to be going smoothly. But in a matter of moments, everything changed. Eyewitnesses reported that a crowd surge occurred, leading to an unfortunate fall that resulted in severe injuries. The wrestling community reacted almost immediately, with social media flooded with messages of support and concern. Fans from around the globe shared heartfelt tributes, while fellow wrestlers took to the ring to honor their legacy in various shows. It was a moment that brought everyone together, united in grief and admiration for a true icon. As we reflect on the life and career of this legendary wrestler, it's hard not to feel the impact of their passing. Their contributions to the sport and the lives they touched will forever be remembered. The wrestling world has lost not just a competitor, but a mentor, a friend, and a symbol of hope and resilience. Their legacy will live on through the countless stories shared by fans and fellow wrestlers alike. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your favorite memories of this wrestling legend? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into wrestling history or watch tributes to other legends, don't forget to check out our next video. Let's keep their spirit alive together.